Hello traders, today we're going to look into our crystal ball and we're going to look at what's to come in 2023 and prepare you for what may occur, and it's not pretty. I'm going to give you examples of why the analytics are telling us this, and hopefully this will save you from taking some bad trades and hopefully even making some money. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Let's not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with trading. So for the last 10-15 years, I've been teaching traders this idea of the January effect. You can probably search on YouTube and you can see the prior videos. It's a great little method on forecasting the year. But we're getting into 2023. We're in December right now, 2022. It's December 9th. It's a Friday. And what I want to do is give you a bit of an insight, a reason why we're looking at the market going lower, especially when we can see what has happened within the first week, the first few days of January. So what we're looking at here is January 2023, right around the corner, the market going down. And where is it going? It's going to test the lows that have recently occurred, at least a nice strong pivotal low right over here. So this is the area of 2600, 2500. This is where the market is going to lead us. Now, if you look at January of 2022, what happened? The first month, the first few days, the first week, market went down. We also have the same thing happening in January of 2021. First week, first month, the market went down. And the same thing happened here in the 2020, January 2020, which is, I'm sorry, it's right here, right over here. So what we're seeing is that for the past 3 years, January has shown us that it's not a very strong month, at least what we're seeing right now. And that leads me to believe that we may have another January, especially if you think about all of the negative news that the market has been providing to us, the economy, interest rates are going up. This is all fueling the fire to the downside. Now you could say that's a really far distance for the market to move, and I have to disagree. It's really not that far. If you take a look back at this specific month of March 2020, this particular range of this month happens to be about 1,000 points, 950 points. And so if I took this here and I put where we are right now and say, will the market move in 1 month about 1,000 points? Absolutely, without a doubt, because we've seen it happen before, especially if we have 2 or 3 months in a row of the market going down. This is not impossible. It could definitely happen. So again, if the market continues on its trajectory, if nothing changes, we're going to see the market potentially move to the downside before it heads up. And when it starts going up, you're going to see a great opportunity for a bull run. 2024, 2025, 2026. We're going to see the hugest bull run of our lifetime, but it's not ready yet. So remember, this here happens to be a pivotal, strong support area where the market loves to test where it's previously been. This is a great area for the market to test. Once it reaches around this area, again, 1 month we could meet that. Maybe it'll take 2 or 3 months, but we'll definitely see the market hover around this area and then expect the market to just rally big time to the upside. So this is a monthly chart. If you take a look at a weekly chart, similarly, here's January 2023. This is a weekly chart of the S&P 500, the E-mini, yes, S&P 500, and you can see what happened. First week, the market went down and kept on going last year. And if I look at a daily chart, not surprisingly, we see the same exact thing. The first day, the first couple of days, you see the market go down. Now I have to say that if the market does not go down and the first week, first month of January just starts to go up, we're not going to sell it. We're going to look for an opportunity, either buying or selling. But we have to have first the proof. And what would be the proof? As I see it here, it's this pivotal point right over here, this pivotal point of 3,500, about 3,500 right here. If this continues lower through December, right? It's only December 9th. If the market continues through this and breaks that, that's when we're going to see a huge run to about 2,600, 2,500 to the downside. So look for this pivotal point here to be broken as almost the catalyst for this thing to run away from us. So be careful. We're going to see some volatility into the beginning of January 2023. Be prepared, protect yourselves as well. Now, as day traders, we have a few things that we could use in our toolbox. So we can use scalping methods like the Trade Scalper. We can use the Atlas line. We could use Blueprint. The roadmap is great because once it breaks the zone, the roadmap zones, if the market's volatile, it just keeps on going and going. So all these things you could use, even your own methods, you can use to benefit you to the short side, because you can obviously make money if the market goes up or if the market goes down. You just have to be on the right side of it. So we're analyzing this as a sell until the market changes and starts its way back up. If you have any questions, if you want to contact me, my name is John Paul, support@daytradetowin.com. Send me an email. I'm happy to answer your questions, and I'll see everyone at the next video and the next class. Take care now. Bye-bye. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit Daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.